Good morning, students. So, today we are going to do editing. Okay, so in a sentence, um, we just keep in mind each and everything about the capital letters, articles, prepositions, and full stops, commas, all the punctuation marks, and lots of things. Okay, so that it makes a meaningful sentence, it makes a sense even. So that is a sentence. So sentence editing we will learn today, and I must tell you that I'll give you some incorrect sentences in this editing. What you have to do is you have to write down the correct sentences by using correct tense, punctuation marks, articles, prepositions, and all those things. So, and capital letters and all. Also, I'm going to share some of the exercises with you. So, there you have to see carefully, and I hope you will listen me carefully. Watch it. So here is it, your first exercise. That is, there are some errors, incorrect sentences have been written on the left side, and on the right side correct sentences are there. So, and the incorrect words where there is a correction, that has been highlighted with pink color. Okay, and the correct one also has have been highlighted with the pink color. So you have to find out the difference. There are editing tense wise, like there are mistakes of tenses, there are somewhere there are mistakes of singular and plural, so that you have to find out. So quickly see the first sentence. He born in a rich family. So what, he born, there is no verb is not here, so here you have to add he was born in a rich family. Then the function held yesterday. What, the function was held yesterday. We are talking about the previous day, yesterday. So here the function was held, was will come, was is not here, so this was the error. Next is he can play piano. So particular, we are talking about particular piano, so we have to add the. So there in this sentence you have to add the article, that is the piano, because we are talking about a particular piano thing. So fourth is having two errors. That is, first is he has read the first and the second chapters of the book. It's not like that. So he has read the first and the second chapter, not chapters, of the book. So this is the error of singular and plural, so this you have to keep in mind. Next is he has read the first and second chapter of the book. So here you have to write he has read the first and second chapters of the book. So next is I met Ramesh on the way and stopped talking to him. So here it will be I met Ramesh on the way and stopped to talk to him. So here we have used simple past tense. So this is what you have to write in this way. Then seventh is the letters are delivered by the postman. Of course, letters are delivered by the postman, so there is no particular letter which is delivered by the postman only. So all the letters. So in this way you will correct the sentence that letters, we are talking about letters, so letters are delivered by the postman. There is no particular letters, so we don't need to add the. So next is we are not doing every, because it's not possible to to speak every sentence over here, it will take time. So we'll do the 10th one. Playing hockey, a thorn entered his foot. So here there is a timing, so you have to write like while he was playing hockey a thorn entered his foot. So here's a condition, you have to write down full sentence, like you have to correct the sentence to make it meaningful. And then next we'll take that the last one, I know to play hockey. What? I know to play hockey, it doesn't make any sense, so it will be I know how to play hockey. So just we will do the, so you have to see the errors over here in these pages. So if it is not clear, I'll send you, don't worry about it. Next is here you can see that, so here first sentence you can see that please let him to go, that will be please let him go, जाने दो उसे, please let him go. So next is I make him to run fast, so here it will be that we are talking about past tense, so we'll write I made him run fast. Here there are two errors in this sentence. Then next is next we'll do that is 25th. Okay, so that is she cooks like her mother does. So the answer will be she cooks as her mother does. We are comparing over here. We are doing comparison. Next in 26th is also the same, but there is a difference, that is she cooks as her mother. It's not like that, we don't have to, when we compare things, so we use like, she cooks like her mother. Here we are we have to say that she is likely to her. Then is we will do the next one, 39th, that is I regret for the delay. So we will not write for, simply we will write that is I regret the delay. Next is 41, that is it is very hot to go out. It will be it is too hot to go out. I hope you have understood how to do it. So only this one, the fourth, this is one exercise which I am giving you as a homework, so you have to do it. There are some errors, some words have been might have been written wrong, so that you have to correct. I hope you will be able to do it. So find out the errors and do it. How to write it, that I am going to show you. So here is it. I'm going to give you some examples and see, just watch it carefully how to do it. Like there will be one error. I'm writing one sentence that I goes to the market. So you just find out, there will be dash, so you have to find out an error. There is an error, that is goes. With I we use first form of the verb, not as, we don't use as or yes. So this is the mistake, error. You have to write, how you will write the answer, you will not directly write go, no, you have to write down one word before and then after, and here you will write the word which is the error. So the answer will be this, go. Okay, go is the answer, but you have to write down one word that is before this word I, and then afterward you have to write to. So you have to write like this one, this is the way you will write. You have to write down the word which is the answer and the word before it and the word after it. So here it will be I go to. So I hope you have understood how you have to write down. This is the first answer which you will write like this, or you can make columns. Okay, before, word, and then after. Here you will write first answer is this, go, I go to, then second, then third, then fourth. 3 or 4 questions will be there, so you have to attempt the answer like this, in this way only. So I hope you have cleared that how you have to write down, how you have to attempt this question in the exam. So I'm going to add your homework, that slide, again after this video, so that you will be able to know what is the homework. So I hope the way I have shown you, you have understood the way of doing this editing work, sentence editing. So this is your homework. I have attached the file again. Only 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sentences are there. 7 hours or more than that can be there. So do it and show it to me the way I have shown you. In that way you have to show me the answers and write the sentences also. Thank you.